Hey up Woodlanders, welcome to another day on the Great Big Green Week. This one I just wanted to help you appreciate some of the sights and sounds of the woodland like I get to enjoy every day I'm up here. Normally I talk a lot on these videos, but today I'm just going to let you enjoy a very still and calm day. Just a little bit of mindfulness, just to help you to appreciate the beauty that we have around us. And if you're able to, try your best to enjoy the Great Big Green Week and do what you can to support the environment around you and the woodland that might be on your doorstep. And give nature a bit of a helping hand. And I'll see you in the next one.